This week's Parshas is Parshas Netzavim-Vayeilech. It says in the Parshas that Moshe Rabbeinu tells Klal Yisrael that today is my birthday. So Rashi explains two pshatim. One pshat is that Moshe Rabbeinu is telling Klal Yisrael that I'm dying today. Another pshat is Moshe Rabbeinu saying I'm dying today, so I don't have the ability to go over Torah. So there's two questions on this. One question is that how does Moshe know when he's dying? We know that no one knows when they're dying. Another question is that how could Moshe, who's one of the greatest people to ever live, if not the greatest, how could it be that Moshe Rabbeinu is saying that he doesn't have the ability to go over Torah just because he's dying today? So you can answer this based on a Gemara in Bava Metzia. The Gemara in Bava Metzia says, there's a story, there was a question in Shemaim, a Safek Tzaras, what the halacha is. Hashem passed that it's Tahar, and everyone else in Shemaim passed in Tameh. So they decided they're going to go to Rabbah, who was living at the time, and they asked him what the halacha is. And it says that Rabbah passed like Hashem, that it's Tahar. And right after Rabbah said that, Rabbah died. And we know that the Rambam paskins, that Safek Tzaras is Tameh. So the question is, that how could the Rambam be arguing on Hashem who said Tahar? So the Kesef Mishnah answers that no, Torah is Lev HaShemayim, which means that since Hashem said that it's Tar, it doesn't mean that it's Tar, because Torah is Lev HaShemayim. So the Rambam could pass that it's Tameh. So the Kesef Mishnah asks back, that what does this mean? Rabbah also passing that it's Tameh. So how could the Rambam argue on Rabbah? Rabbah was living at the time. So the Kesef Mishnah answers that no, you could say that Rabbah was Lev HaShemayim. Why? Because since Rabbah, the second after he said he died, you could say that Rabbah was Ke'ilu like he was Lev HaShemayim. So based on this, you can answer that Moshe was the same thing. When Moshe felt it, Moshe was in that stage, he felt like that he was Lev HaShemayim. So that's how Moshe knew that he was dying. And then you can answer that Moshe didn't have the ability to go over Torah anymore. Why? Because since Moshe was Lev HaShemayim, so everything Moshe said, it didn't make a difference. So that's why Moshe was telling Klal Yisrael that I'm dying today, and I don't have the ability to give over any Torah. Have a great Shabbos.